Rob here from Unimedia. In this video, we're going to be talking about the star rating element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Unimedia, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello! In this video, we're going to be talking about the star rating element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. So to find our star rating, we're going to search in here for star rating, drag the element into our column, and there we have it. So the first thing we have is rating. In this video, we're going to go through content and style. A lot of the advanced features have their own videos, so go and check those out. Let's go back to content. This is going to be a very short video, so I'm going to go from content straight into style without a break. So we've got rating here, 0 to 5 or 0 to 10 if we like. I'm going to leave it on 0 to 5. Rating, of course we're Unimedia, so we're 5, but just to show you the unmarked style in a moment, I'm going to leave this on 4. Then we've got the icon. So currently the icon is using the star shape from Font Awesome. Or we've got Unicode, which is a sharper star, and I'm going to leave it on Unicode. Then we've got the unmarked style. So this is, as you can see, whether we fill the star in or not. I'm going to leave it on outline. Then we've got the title. So this could be the business or the person that's given you this star rating. So I'm just going to go with John Doe. Then we've got alignment. So we've got left, center, right, and justified. I'm going to go with center. That's it for the content. Let's go straight into the style. We've got the text color. We'll leave on white. Typography. I'm going to go with Josephine Sands. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. And I'm going to put a weight of 300. Let's close that window. Then we've got the gap between the name and the stars. Let's just leave it at that. Then we've got the stars themselves, so we can change the size of those to match the name. Then we've got the spacing between the stars. And finally we've got the color, which I'm going to change to this orange. Then we've got the unmarked color, which I'm just going to keep on white. That's it for the star rating element of Elementor. When you're happy with your work, don't forget to click the green update button at the bottom, and we will see you in the next video.